What's up guys, it's Phillip Lock here from Cardiff, 20 years old, been riding for approximately 6 years. I run the Primo Sam Squash bars. I like a 28 wide, 8.5 rise. I like a bit of rise in the front. Run the profile stem, run it upside down, I like a bit of lift. I run the Snap Mobius gyro, Odyssey cables. Been running the Federal 2024 for a few years now. They've taken a beating, to be honest. It's dented, they're cracked, it's still so young. Frame, McNeil, Loden, 21 top tube, I like a bit of length, top. Slightly shorter on the back, 13.25 chain stick. It's nice to whip. 8-inch stack height. I like a low frame. Again, the whips, zip tricks. Front wheel, pretty new. Skylark Llanishen. Laced to a proper head. Decent head by both. Never had any problems from at all. Primo spokes. Strong. Snapped any. Cranks. Profile. Never had a problem with it. Had it just over 2 years. Real strong. I like the look of them too. Trying out these new, what they call new proofs, pedals. Slim, good looking, light. Seat, very comfortable. Shadow Conspiracy. Godsend. I have to buy a 22.2mm diameter seat post because nothing else seems to do strange size seat posts. Fly Bikes headset. Never had any problem again. Real good, strong. Back wheel, proper rim, been so strong over the years, taking a beating. Laced Odyssey spokes to a proper back left-hand drive. I need left-hand drive. Shallow chain, proper strong. Loves it. Profile racing chainring. Beast. Tyres. With the people feelings, two of them, 2.10 on the front, 195 on the back. I like it thin on the back, keeps your speed, just nice and slick looking, fast rolling. Taking my PSI. Good. And my brake setup, already said, on some cables, proper calipers, proper brake pads. Looking nice and strong. Obviously lever, 2 or 1 lever, I just want to thank EC Cycles for supporting me over the years, you know, sorting me out my bike, competitions, things like that, so thanks to Dorian. I want to thank my mate Chris for getting me to kick, thanks to Andy for hooking me up. Just recently got on their clothing wear, so big thanks to them too. Thanks for watching my bike check 2012. Mate Chris for hooking me up. Oh, start again. I just stop! Most fuck. that, dude.